Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, almost Friday. Last night we were in Korea where I prepared spicy Korean chicken bulgogi. Super simple meal. I think the most complicated thing was gathering all the ingredients, in other words, the mise en place. Because basically everything except for the chicken was for the marinade, and one item was just for garnish, other than the chicken. So, yeah, it was super simple. The rice took longer to cook than the chicken. Just saying. All right, today we're headed to Egypt, finally. After a couple of postponements, we're finally getting to Egypt, where I will be preparing Koshari. It's hard to describe this. I tried to describe it to Robin the other day. It's a layered dish that's built in a bowl. This is a meatless recipe, but there's a bunch of other goodies in this. So let's get to it. Wow, lots of hardware today. 4 of the ingredients are actually cooked before they're put into the bowl or the mold. Saute pan for the onions, the medium saucepan for the lentils, also known as dal, Dutch oven for the pasta, and the crockery for rice. All right, let's get to it. Kosher salt. No pepper. 0. Oil, I'll be using avocado oil. This is masoor dal, also known as red dal, also known as brown dal. Trust me, I looked it up. It's supposed to have a very particular noodle for this, but they say that elbow macaroni is a great substitute. So, the layers, from what I understand, by my reading, the elbow macaroni, garbanzo beans, I'm going to be using basmati rice, onions, and there's some garlic in this, some tomato sauce, tomato paste, and cumin, and there's plenty of water. So this is the ingredients for the koshari that I'm going to be preparing today. I'm still trying to figure out timeline in this because the instructions are like 2 pages. Yeah, it's like between all my notes and everything, there's like 4 pages for this. So I'm still trying to figure this out in my head. The cooking part, I mean, I can cook all this. That's not a problem. It's timing and so forth. Do I need to do? I think that's part of the reason why I put this one off a couple of different days. All right, so on this Thursday, almost Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.